What's good, everyone? Today we are going to fly some FPV in some cool, like, abandoned looking, it's not abandoned, but there's graffiti everywhere, some cool dam. I'm looking in the middle of nowhere right now, so we'll see how that is. But this is surprisingly close. This is in the middle of Sydney, around like the Northmead area or whatnot. And yeah, we'll check it out, try and fly some FPV. This is literally my third flight, so I don't know if it's a good idea in this dense tree and shrub or whatnot. Probably not a good idea, but yeah, we'll see how it turns out. Let's try and envision a line when we get there, and yeah, let's do it. Alright man, so we are at this dam right now, and this place is sick. What the heck? This is literally in the middle of nowhere. Like, we are real high up right here. Holy shit. Yeah, let's try and get to the bottom and see what we come up with. Alright, so we are at the bottom of this dam. It is freaking so sick, man. Like, what is this? This looks like, I don't know, man. This almost looks like some type of like Aztec. Alright, maybe not, but like some Jurassic Park like stuff, man. This is so cool. But anyway, we are here. I think the plan is I need to thread the drone through there, come up here, split S dive, and then zoom into the unknown. But there's water there, so I really do not like that, and I've never flown over water before. So who knows, maybe I'll cut the dive short again and then I'll just like explore a little bit, do a bit of a loop in there, and that should be a sick clip for the gram at least. And I'm looking nervous. Let's scout this out a bit more, and then there's only one thing left to do, and send it. Alright guys, that was my first-ish flight. Oh my god, that was so scary, man. I just started to realize this Titan goes way too fast, so like when I zoom down here, like I need more room to brake. So I went into like the river thing, and I have to, otherwise like I can't brake hard enough to like turn around. So oh my god, man, that was so scary. So we reluctantly flew over the water, and far out, man. Should I do it again? I feel like I could have done a bit better. Like when I came down here, I didn't dive as well as I could have. Let's try this one more time and then we'll wrap it up. Fingers crossed we don't freaking crash in the water here, because this is going to be epic. Let's do it. God, that was the second pack, man. Oh my god, I'm shaking, dude. I'm sweating buckets. We dove there. I tried to get real close to the dam, and that was risky as, and now I'm just like going to the back with the water and everything in the trees into the unknown. We survived. I hope we got the shot. You would have seen what we got, man, but hopefully it was good. Fuck, that was crazy. What I ended up doing is, because the drone was going so fast in the dive, I had to come here, throttle hard up, and then pitch back, and then trying to like, I don't know, do some cool stuff. I hope it looked cool, man. That was ridiculous. But yeah, man, if you enjoyed the video, journey to FPV. This is my third flight. Dude, you really need to warm up when you fly, man, because yeah, that start was bad. I literally landed in the sand over there. I hope that didn't ruin my drone, but it still flew. Wow. But yeah guys, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Subscribe, give us a like. Man, see ya.